Hi friends, welcome to JOSAT. Today we are going to see important questions of knowledge and curriculum B.Ed second years. There are 20 questions. First question, what is knowledge and knowing? Describe the sources of knowledge and methods of acquiring knowledge. Second question, what is knowledge and knowing? Also explain the major kinds of knowledge with example, that is characteristics of knowledge. Third question, what is constructivism? Explain the characteristics of constructivism. Also differentiate between traditional classroom and constructivist classroom. Fourth question, differentiate between reasoning and analysis. B. Information and knowledge. C. Belief and truth. Fifth question, explain concrete and absolute fact of knowledge and relationship. Sixth, what is idealism? Explain the main features of idealism. Describe in detail the principle of idealism. Seventh, what is naturalism? Describe the principle of naturalism. Explain the educational implications of naturalism. Eighth, what is pragmatism? Also explain the aims of education, curriculum, methods of teaching, discipline, and teachers. Ninth question, what is existentialism? Also explain the educational implication of existentialism. 10th question, what do you understand by curriculum? Explain the principle of curriculum construction, that is differentiate between curriculum and syllabus. 11th question, describe in detail the components of curriculum. 12th question, describe the curriculum process and critical approach to curriculum theory in detail, that is define different approaches to curriculum theory. 13th, write note on the following: curriculum as a product and curriculum as a process. 14th question, write notes on the following: A. Discipline centered design, learner centered design. C. Problem centered design. 15th question, analyze the comparison between discipline centered design and problem centered design. 16th, what do you understand by curriculum development? Discuss the different phases and steps of curriculum development. 17th, what do you mean by curriculum change? Also discuss the factors affecting curriculum change. 18th, explain the process of curriculum change. 19th, describe various factors affecting curriculum development. 20th, explain the role of teacher in the curriculum development process. Thank you friends. These are the important questions for B.Ed second year. Please make use of it and all the best for your exam. Please subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.